Hey guys, today we are going to make the thing on which we will shoot our blowgun. Okay, but first I want to tell something that I have made some modifications in our blowgun. I have made the tube thin and used that big and hollow tube to make our holder, blowgun holder. Okay, then we shall start. First, we have to put this paper, roll it, okay. Okay, now we are going to stick it with the sticky tape. Sorry, I the sticky tape is not available now, so I am using the regular white glue. Okay, now we have sticked it. Now we need some newspapers. Let's bring them. Okay, now we have our newspapers. Now we will tear some small pieces of the newspaper and put them in this hollow tube. Okay, now we have our paper rolls. We will put them inside. We will put them gently. We can use a pencil to push it inwards. Now see, it has come almost. Now we will take this roll and insert it into this hollow tube. Now it is almost filled and stuffed with our newspaper rolls. It is pretty heavy, not so much. Okay, now we will give it some shapes and designs. Let's do it with the power of YouTube. Now you people can clearly see that I have given it a shape, but you can see that it is very long. So we can measure it and divide it into two parts. Let's do it. Woo! We can clearly see that. stick.